Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I'm Engleng. Friends, today I will share easiest way to grow hybrid hibiscus plant from cuttings. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So friends, I'll take a cuttings from here. I'll take a soft wood cuttings. Just you can check the branch I have here. It's totally green. So use a soft cutter to take a cuttings. So it is healthy enough and it is going to grow well. So if you want to grow hibiscus plant in your home, you can use this process. So friends, I took 2 cuttings from here. So next step, we need to remove some extra leaves and extra branches from the cuttings I have here. So I'm using a sharp cutter to take out the leaves and the extra branches. So on the top, I'm going to leave some leaves. Okay, you can see here. So I left some leaves on the top. So another cutting, I'm going to do the same. Okay, now it is ready. So next we need a root hormone to establish the roots faster. So I'm using here organic root hormone, aloe vera. So it will prevent from fungus and establish the roots faster. If you don't have aloe vera, you can use a chemical root hormone also. You can get that in online store or else in the garden store. So just I'll put here. So it is going to grow well using this organic root hormone. So I'll put like this both the cuttings and I'll keep this for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay friends, this is after 2 minutes. Now we can remove it from the aloe vera plant. Now this is the soil I'm going to use for growing hibiscus cuttings. So I've used normal garden soil and I've given a little bit of vermicompost here. So I'm going to make hole using a stick so that the root hormone will not remove from the cuttings. So you can use your finger to make a hole. Now place the cutting gently in the soil mix. So remember, after planting this, place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. Do not bring to the direct sunlight. If you bring to the direct sunlight, the cuttings may not be successful. So friends, the left aloe vera, I'm going to place it in the pot. And remember, give 3 to 4 times of water a week. Do not let the soil dry. If the soil get dry, the cuttings may not get successful. And place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. Friends, I'll check this after 50 days. Hello friends, this is day 50. Just check here, it is about to bloom and it has got a dark leaf with a healthy plant cuttings I have here. So it is only 50 days old. So this is ready to transplant it to the different pot. Friends, I'll show you the proof by taking out from the pot with the roots here. Friends, just check the roots. It is coming out from the soil mix. So it has got lots of root here. So I'll take out from the soil mix and friends, just check here. It has got lots of roots. So now it is ready to be transplanted to the different pot using a fertilizer like vermicompost and cow dung compost. And this cutting you can see here, it has got lots of roots. So both the cuttings are successful. So friends, if you want to grow hibiscus plant in your home, you can use this process to grow. You'll get 100% successful. So friends, this is how I grow hibiscus plant from cuttings. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.